If you have your contacts stored in Office 365, we've made it easier than ever to import them into your Constant Contact account. This includes all contacts, regardless of their folder or group. From your Constant Contact account, click Integrations. Click the Office 365 block. You'll be taken to Microsoft Online, where you'll need to log into your account. Once you've logged in, all you need to do is select a list in Constant Contact to add the contacts to. If you don't have a list you want to add them to, click Create a new list and give it a name. Once you've selected your list, just click Import. All of your contacts from Office 365 will be copied into the list you chose in Constant Contact. And that's how easy it is to add any contacts stored in Office 365 into your Constant Contact account.